Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign and return a PDF document. First, locate the PDF file you need to sign, whether it's on your desktop or in your email inbox. Once found, simply double-click to open it with your preferred PDF viewer or editor. It's a good practice to quickly confirm you've opened the correct document before moving on to the next steps. This ensures you're working with the right file from the very beginning. Now let's add your signature. Most PDF programs have a Fill and Sign or Sign tool. Click on this option. You'll typically have three choices: type your name, draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. Select the method that works best for you, then carefully place and resize your signature onto the designated signature line within the document. Make sure it looks just right. Beyond your signature, many PDF documents require additional information. Use the text tool within your PDF software to fill in any necessary fields like dates, your full name, or your address. If there are checkboxes or radio buttons, simply click on them to select the appropriate options. Before saving, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you've entered. Accuracy is key to ensuring your document is complete and valid. Finally, it's time to save and return your completed document. After signing and filling in all fields, save the PDF to your computer. It's a good idea to rename the file, perhaps adding signed and your name, like Contract Signed John Doe, for easy identification. Once saved, open your email, compose a new message, and attach this newly signed PDF. Send it off to the intended recipient, and you're all done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.